What's going on, everybody? It's Pet Plus underscore info. Today we're doing a live feeding, my very first live feeding for my Stirmi or Stirmi Goliath bird eater. There she is there. We are feeding her this tiny little mouse here. And this would be the first time me feeding her anything like a mouse or to that extent. So we're gonna see how this goes. And this mouse is very fast. And we're gonna put her up there. And when the tarantula sees it, tarantula will grab it. I am shaking. Oh, she grabbed it. She grabbed it. There's the fangs inside her. There you go. That was quick. So she got the fangs inside the neck of the mouse. She is injecting her venom. Starting from the beginning, I'm so sorry. This is Pet Plus underscore info. Y'all make sure y'all, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channels. And if possible, I need that thumbs up. I need the likes. It does help the channel's growth. So please, if y'all don't mind, hit the thumbs up. I need as many thumbs up as possible. I still haven't named her. Again, this is a Stirmi or Stirmi Goliath bird eater. This is my very first time feeding her a mouse or lizard or whatever. I do have 5 other tarantulas that I wouldn't go to this extent in feeding them mice. This is the only one that I will be feeding mice due to the fact that it's very good for them. You won't have to feed them for probably another 3 or 4, probably 3 weeks to my understanding. I watched a YouTuber he was feeding his Goliath bird eater a mouse, and the process, I think it was like a 26-hour process. From what I'm understanding is that they inject the venom. The venom will liquefy all of the organs inside the mouse, and they will suck all of the juices out inside out. Basically, the mouse will look like it's turned inside out at the end of the feeding. This is a long process. It's a long feeding. I'm not going to sit here and try to record the entire thing, but I will keep y'all posted. Right now, this video has been going for 4 minutes. My wife is recording too, y'all. She wants to see it. So we're going to move that tank over so she can record. So yeah. This is what it looked like. Yeah, this could be a long process as far as feeding. It would take her hours to finish this. And I decided to feed my Goliath bird eater the mice rather than the crickets and the dubia roaches that I have, because you won't have to feed them that often. As you can see, her abdomen back here is pretty small. I just got her. My wife just bought this for me, I think 5 or 6 days ago, something like that. And if you can see that the back of her abdomen is fairly small, what we're trying to do, we're trying to fatten her up, and I'm hoping that this mouse will do that. You can see she has the fangs inside her. I'm sorry. She has the fangs. She just this is very interesting, not only for you all, but for me as well. Again, I have 5 other tarantulas that I would never feed them mice or anything like that. So this is a learning experience to me as well. But this, Amy,